Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated areas of moderate rainfall lingering over South Central Hidalgo County. Current radar information indicates that from 3 to 6 inches of rainfall has occurred over this area since 7 p.m. As a result, flash flooding is continuing near the Mission area. Several roads and streets in the Mission area remain flooded at this time. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mission, Sharyland, South McAllen, Rowe High School, Los Encinos Community Park, Castro Elementary School, BL. Gray Junior High School, Mission Fire Station Number 3, Lloyd and Ollie Benson Elementary School, and Zavala Elementary School. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.